Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Barricade Overrider Hoop for the HD off-road front bumper fitting your 07 through 13 Chevy Silverado 1500s. This is for the Silverado owner who has the Barricade HD off-road front bumper and wants to add this Overrider Hoop to set them up to add some accessories or lighting down the road. This Overrider Hoop adds some style and functionality to your bumper. It allows you to add some additional customization, and it comes with brackets to add some lighting to the top of the hoop. It features heavy-duty steel construction with a textured black powder coat finish to match your bumper. Coming in at around $100, this Overrider Hoop is a nice add-on to the front bumper that's not going to break the bank. I'm going to give this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It does feature a direct bolt-up install with no drilling required and can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install, we used a pop clip removal tool, a 13mm wrench, 10mm socket, 5mm Allen socket, small extension, and a 3/8 drive ratchet or impact gun. So the first step in our install once the hood is open is to remove this rad support cover by removing all of the pop clips that hold it in. Grab your pop clip removal tool and let's get these out. With all of the pop clips removed, grab the cover and remove it off the truck. Next up, with a 10mm socket, remove the 4 10mm bolts holding in the top of your grille. Next up, to release some metal clips that are holding your grille in, you can pull straight back. If one of them won't release, you can also use a needle nose pliers to clamp them down and release them manually. So to install our Overrider Hoop, we first need to pop these plugs out of our bumper. These are the ones that are a little higher up. Just grab them and pull them out. Do the same for the other side. Line up the hoop to the top of your bumper, and then using the provided hardware, install the button head bolts, lock washer and washer, through the bumper. Line up the holes on the hoop and your bumper and install the hardware, the button head bolts with a washer and also a lock washer and washer on the other side. Repeat that on the other side. Using a 13mm wrench and 5mm Allen key, tighten these down. Repeat that on the other side. At this point, we can reinstall the grille. Grab the factory hardware and reinstall it. Grab your 10mm socket and tighten these down. Now you can reinstall the rad support cover. Line up the holes and reinstall the pop clips. All right, that is going to do it for the review and install of our Overrider hoop. Remember, for all things Silverado, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.